warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, my friend. Best wish to all of us. Welcome back to my channel, Johan Candradinata. Today, I will try to answer the question of my subscriber. They asked me about how to make our Black Taro or Black Caladium fertile. Actually, it's so very easy to make our Black Taro or Black Caladium fertile. The first, prepare the planting medium. We can get the planting medium from the soil of burning garbage and then mix it with dry or roasted herbs. Don't forget to water it every day because the Black Taro or Black Caladium need quite a lot of water. And the more important thing is to place the Black Taro plant in a place that is not directly exposed to the sun. The heat of the sun will cause the leaves to dry out and spoil until they eventually burn. This Black Taro plant has leaves that are quite thin, so it cannot stand direct sunlight, especially throughout the day. So, put this Black Taro plant in a shady place or not exposed to directly sunlight. In this video, I'll show you how I place my Black Taro plants to make them last. Always support my channel, Johan Candradinata. Press the subscribe button, like, share, activate the bell, and give your positive comment in comment columns. Watch the video and thank you very much. This is the video. It's very easy to make Black Taro plants fertile. First is to prepare a good planting medium, namely the land from burning garbage, and then mix it with dry or roasted herbs. Don't forget to water it every day, because this Black Taro plant needs quite a lot of water. And the more important thing is to place the Black Taro plant in a place that is not directly exposed to the sun. The heat of the sun will cause the leaves to dry out and spoil until they eventually burn. This Black Taro plant has leaves that are quite thin, so it cannot stand direct sunlight, especially throughout the day. Put this Black Taro plant in a shady place or not exposed to direct sunlight. This is, I show you where I place my Black Taro plants to make them last. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next videos. I hope this video is useful for us. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.